How to install Firefox web browser on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen or in the app screen, open up Play Store. Then we're going to go back and tap on apps. Next, tap in the search box and key in Firefox. Then tap on the search button. After that, in the search result, tap on the install button and wait for Firefox to download and install on your device. Okay, after that, tap on the open button. Then you can now choose to set Firefox as the default web browser or not now. You can also choose to add the widget to the home screen. Then tap on add, or you can choose not now. Now in here you can choose to sign in. So it says here stay encrypted when you hop between devices. So tap on the sign in button to sign into Firefox or not now. So you can tap on sign in and then tap on ready to scan and scan the Firefox that pair on your computers if you also have Firefox installed on another device. Okay, after that, you'll be able to go to your Firefox. Now to open up Firefox, all you have to do is go into app screen, and in here you can see there is an icon Firefox. Just tap on it and it will open up Firefox for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.